I mean, if it wanted to get rid of humans, it would have got rid of humans. I mean, look at COVID. Something invisible just stopped the entire planet. All the human monkeys were just paused. All the other animals had a great time and the plants flourished. But if the universe wanted to get rid of human monkeys, it's pretty easy to get rid of human monkeys. So we haven't destroyed the earth completely yet. And we're being kept around as a species when we could just be removed. So maybe we're pretty good. Maybe there's some good things about humanity. And I see that a lot